Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bath bomb demo from Lush. This is called Holly Golightly Wonderball, and it's a 3-part bath bomb. So as you're filling up the tub, you can sprinkle in what's inside of it, and that's supposed to make some bubbles. And then the other parts are bath bombs. So you can use all at once or split it up into different baths, which I think is really cool. I filled mine up a little bit too high before I added the bubble stuff, so it did make a lot of bubbles, but it probably would have been more bubbles if I had initially put it in the tub right from the get-go, but that's okay. So this bath bomb cost $9.95, and it is 9.7 ounces, so it's rather big. And the fragrance notes are lemongrass and bergamot, and it definitely does smell like that. It smelled really good. It was very slowly dissolving, and then I decided, I was contemplating, should I sink it? And then I'm like a cat. I can't just like leave stuff alone. I have to like play with it when it's in the water. So I ended up putting water in it, and I'm glad I did, because then it started bubbling and frothing, and it kind of looked like a volcano erupting. It was pretty fun. The stopper that came on top of the bath bomb, initially when put in the water, you saw the darker green color and the red, but then it really didn't do too much. It just sank at the bottom of the tub, and I'll show it again at the end. Here's a bigger overhead view. You can see the pigment from the stopper on the far left. I could tell there wasn't too much left at this point. And of course I did get in the bathtub and take a bath afterwards. Some people ask me if I just demo them. Of course not. I definitely get in. I never waste a bath bomb. And Lush's bath bombs are always super moisturizing and tons of fun. And I love the color of this one. When all those greens mixed together, it reminded me of the Grinch. It was a very Grinchy green color, and I loved it. And if you would like to see more demos from Lush from the Christmas collection, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.